5 bedtime drinks for weight loss. People hoping to lose their waistline work hard to get the best trick. For this purpose, your diet must be good. You must consume a sufficient amount of carbohydrates, proteins, and other nutrients essential for your body. If your diet is good, but you're still gaining weight, there might be a problem, but where and how? Here, we will provide you with a complete guide on how you can lose weight. You will be amused to know that simple drinks can help you lose weight overnight. These drinks help maintain your health and keep you in shape. Is it better to take bedtime drinks? Yes. People who want to decrease their waistline can consume the bed drinks. They are beneficial in various ways. They are easy to make and better for health and skin. Benefits of consuming bedtime drinks. People who are busy working and do not get time for their health can prepare the drinks at home. The preparation time is very little. Hence, the cost of the drinks is also less because the ingredients of the drinks are available at home. Moreover, your cost to visit the nutritionist and diet planner decreases. It is an effective way with which you can lower your waistline. The overnight drink helps in losing belly fats. From the facts, it is clear that consuming proteins and a heavy diet at night results in increasing belly fat. However, it is worse for the heart and increases other diseases. That is why you must be conscious about your night diet. A healthy diet at night keeps you healthy and fit. It also does not increase belly fat. That is why it will be better if you take fewer meals at night. If you are overeating, you can use these drinks to help lose fat. Here, we came up with some stunning, magical drinks that can lower your belly fat in weeks or months. They're better for your heart and keep you healthy, so let's have a look at them. How do drinks lower fat? Some drinks are better that help burn belly fats. You can make these drinks at night because they will work for the entire night and you will feel fresh for the entire day. If a meal full of protein is taken at night, then these drinks burn the fats that you can gain with that last meal. This is why many nutritionists suggest taking fewer meals at night. It can help to maintain your waistline. The acids present in the drink cut down the fats for the whole night. Ways to keep yourself in shape. Maintaining your body shape is a tough task. You can achieve the goal if you have patience. You must take the best diet, regular exercise, and peaceful sleep. All these things will help you in maintaining your body shape. At night, you can add some best drinks that is beneficial for your health, and they give you various benefits at night, so let's take a look at them. Best 5 drinks that help in lowering belly fat. Some of the best drinks that are considered to be best for losing weight are listed below. Take these drinks 2 hours before you go to bed. Number 1, Greek yogurt shake. Greek yogurt is considered the best source of energy. It is considered the protein power bank because it is enriched in proteins and gives plenty of benefits to your body. That is why many nutritionists suggest including Greek yogurt in your diet. Even at breakfast, it showers various benefits. For example, it makes you feel full. Hence, the result is you consume fewer foods. However, this ingredient has plenty of benefits that one does not know. People might wonder, what is the best drink for night that also helps me get sound sleep? It's the Greek yogurt protein shake. As we know that the main ingredient of yogurt is milk. So, from the facts, it is concluded that milk is best for losing fat and maintaining health. Milk is enriched in calcium and tryptophan. These ingredients help to function the body properly. Furthermore, 2 more dairy products, whey and casein, are better for sound sleep. When you get a combo of yogurt with protein, it makes your body function properly. On the other hand, you can also enjoy the decrease in your waistline. Number 2, tea of chamomile. The use of chamomile tea is famous throughout the world. This tea has various benefits for health. For people who have sleeping disorder, take a cup of chamomile tea. It relaxes the nerves and gives you a sound sleep. As mentioned above, better sleep is better for your body. The best part of chamomile is it increases the level of glycine that helps make your nerves easy and relaxed. The result is a peaceful night's sleep. From the facts, it is concluded that chamomile is better for other health hacks. Many of us do not know that chamomile tea is taken as a medicine to cure an upset stomach. Chamomile tea helps to function your immune system better. Moreover, it also helps to burn fats, so you can take a cup of chamomile tea at night to lose weight. Number 3, tea of cinnamon. Cinnamon is one of the best ingredients that has various benefits for your health. It is being used in meals and drinks. The best thing about this ingredient is it helps remove the extra fat from your body. That is why cinnamon tea is best to take at night. However, the other benefits of using cinnamon tea are it is an antioxidant and contains antibiotic elements. Hence, it helps to maintain the heart rate normally. It also helps in maintaining the sugar level of your body. As a result, you can enjoy a better life. You can take a cup of cinnamon tea at night with a pinch of honey so it can taste a little sweet. Its metabolism boosting property is unique and helps in lowering belly fats. Many people take this drink at night because it reduces the fat fast and helps you maintain your waistline. Number 4, Fenugreek water. If your body is functioning properly, it points out that you take the best diet. A better diet makes you healthy and fit. Your heart health is good, and you get away from other diseases. Hence, it is the reason why people take various types of drinks. It helps in lowering fat. Also, it helps in maintaining heart health and controlling the sugar level of your body. If you're wondering to get one best drink that is better in all these things, Fenugreek water is the best option. You can take this drink at night because it contains a helpful element that can make your heart function properly, controls the sugar level, and burns the extra fat in your body. A cup of Fenugreek water works the whole night. It helps in lowering the fat with their best property. The seeds generate the heat and burns the fat. Moreover, it helps digest your food and makes your immune system work properly. In this way, the digestion issues are decreased. You can get the best sleep and enjoy a relaxing day. Number 5, turmeric milk. As we all know, milk is better for your body. It contains the best element that increases the glycine level. This element helps in relaxing the nerves. Hence, the result is peaceful sleep. If we look at the benefit of turmeric, it is better for your body's health. Turmeric is considered an herbal cure for colds, coughs, and external pain. Hence, it is one of the best herbal cures that has many benefits. Turmeric is the best antioxidant that helps to fight against germs. This ingredient has other health benefits as well. For example, it's better for heart diseases, help in regulating blood and maintaining sugar levels of the body. Therefore, turmeric is best in many ways. The hidden secret of turmeric helps cut the extra fat from your body. Take a cup of hot turmeric milk at night, 2 hours before you go to bed. It will decrease your waistline. Hence, you will get your body shape. All the drinks are best for the health and lowering belly fat. They're all easy to make. The best thing about the drinks is all the ingredients are available at home. You do not have to visit the market especially for purchasing these items. Boil the ingredients in milk or water and you will get the required drink. It is a simple and easy method to get back into shape. Moreover, you can enjoy better health. As a disclaimer, this video is offered solely for educational and informational reasons. It does not constitute legal, medical, or other professional advice on any subject matters. None of the information in our videos should be used in place of a professional diagnosis and treatment by your physician or other qualified health experts.